Hey guys, my name is Autumn for those of you that don't know me, and welcome back to episode 2 of restoring my $5,000 E36 M3. And today I'm going to be tackling all of the faded plastic trim on the car. As we can see, it's very bad. So we're gonna attempt to fix it. So as you guys may or may not know, I am sponsored by Jax Wax. So of course today I have to try out their Jax Wax Black Trim Renew. I have not used this yet, so today we're gonna be trying it out and see how it works. And that way you guys can get a little review of this product. So basically what it says, I'm just gonna follow the directions. It says, make sure to clean plastic trim pieces thoroughly. Obvious. The surface has to be clean as possible for the Renew to penetrate and restore color in the trim. Tape off painted areas near your working area to avoid black trim Renew getting on painted surfaces. So of course, for all of the prep work, you guys are gonna see me go ahead and tape everything and make sure we're good to go, because as you guys know, I am very clumsy, so we don't need to be messing anything up or turning anything black. Using a microfiber or ceramic coating applicator, pour a small amount of product on the applicator and then spread an even thin coat until total coverage is complete. Product will start to penetrate, let sit for several minutes, and then wipe off excess, and then basically you are good to go. So let's get right into the video. Yeah, I think I did a good job. First things first, I am gonna go change because you guys know I am the messiest person and I will stain my brand new shirt. So we got some Tuner Cult merch today. All right, this is the final fit. This is as good as we're gonna get. All right, first things first, we're gonna get everything prepped and I'm gonna tape the paint off and mask everything off and get it ready to go to put the product on. Guys, first things first, before I mask it, need to clean everything down and make sure we're good to go, and then I'm gonna mask it. So, and this is gonna be really boring, so insert music, copyright music. All right guys, now that cleaning is all done and it's prepped, I'm gonna start masking everything off. And yeah, let's get to masking. And I'm so sorry, you guys. I know this is so freaking boring. It's probably so boring to watch, but you know, this isn't fun to do either. Okay, masking, here we go. Mask, mask, mask. Yay, masking. I love masking. No, I don't. I hate it. All right guys, I finally finished masking. You don't even want to know how long that took me, but that was not enjoyable at all. But moving on, everything is everything is masked off, and we are pretty much good to go to start putting the black trim Renew Jax Wax product on the black trim, and as you guys will notice, my door handles are very faded as well, but I'm just gonna be why can I never talk? I'm just gonna be replacing the door handles, so that's why I'm not gonna be adding any of this stuff onto them, because those are gonna be replaced, and I feel like that's a bad idea to put this on it anyways. So let's grab something to apply this with. I'm gonna see if there's any extra ceramic coating applicators, like the little sponge thingies, and then gonna get to applying this. All right, so I have the trim renew and an applicator, and let's just start applying this. I'm gonna do one coat to make sure everything is nice and covered, and then gonna let it sit and go back over it. Hi.
Well, that was fun.
Yeah, it's not fun. It took me so long to mask everything.
And then it's like, okay, hopefully it's all masked, right?
Yeah. I took so long on it that if it's not, I'm gonna crash out.
Are you gonna wear gloves? No, she hates it.
Actually, no, I'll wear gloves. That's important. I'm glad that you said that because I wasn't thinking about it. All right, guys, gloves. Gloves are very necessary when using this stuff, okay? You guys know I hate gloves, but we're gonna have to work through them today, unfortunately. All right, don't knock the bottle over. So we got that. So that is what the corner is looking like so far. Let's play music, and I'm gonna continue the rest of the bumper really quick. Working on the back, and this is the last section, and then I'm gonna wipe it all off with a microfiber. All right, guys, everything is finally coated. Now, very last step, I'm gonna wipe it off. You're gonna take a clean microfiber towel and wipe off all of the excess, and then we're good to go. So, yeah, let's. All right, guys, let me unmask everything, and then I'll show you the final product. All right, guys, here is the final product. I also just popped the lower grill back into place, so that looks better as well, but here's the final product. Let me show you guys a little overview. All right, guys, that is it for episode 2 of restoring my E36. I feel like today's video went really smoothly. I also did forget to do the diffuser, but that's okay. You know, we're gonna do it right now, but you guys get the point. Yeah, stay tuned for the next episode, and I will see you guys then. Bye. Hey guys, my name is Autumn for those of you that don't know me, and today, okay guys, so sorry the fan is on in here, I don't know how to turn it off, but this is the fit. I feel like I look like a guy. Like, I look like I'm a dude, and we can't have that, so I'm gonna try and make this look cuter, and then we're gonna get to work. Not that it matters, but it's gonna bother me, so.